What's the deal, YouTube family? I am back at it again with another YouTube video. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we will be installing a Diablo tuner kit on the SRT 392. On the website, it say this tune can give up to like 25 horsepower or something like that. But I don't know. I ain't never installed no tuner on my car before, so I'm gonna keep it real with y'all and I'm gonna let y'all know if it really can give up to 25 horsepower. Without further ado, I just want to go ahead and say I appreciate, or genuinely appreciate, everybody that subscribed to the channel, man. We ready to hit 2,000 subscribers, like we really this close. But yeah, man, road to 10K. If y'all new, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down your thoughts, and yeah, let's get straight into this video. It's kind of hard to believe that you can get 25 horsepower or up to 24 horsepower out of this little thing right here, but we're gonna find out. This the box and everything. I ain't gonna go through a little rundown process of how to hook it up because that take a long time. Like, you gotta calibrate it to your car and update it on your computer and all that stuff, but it's pretty straightforward. I went with the 93 octane tune. I deleted the rev limiter, I deleted MDS, I programmed the radiator fans to spin how I wanted to, because as y'all know, or if y'all didn't know, I actually upgraded my thermostat to a 180-degree thermostat. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hit a startup and then I'm gonna let y'all hit the revs and stuff. So
loud.
Yeah, man, it definitely made a difference without the rev limiter, because without the rev limiter, or with the rev limiter, it only go to like 3 to 4K, but now it go to like 5,000–6,000. I never updated y'all, but I did get black tips. I did get the black SRT emblem, and I did get a full chrome delete, what everybody been asking for. So we got a chrome delete, we got the black roof. Like, man, I can't believe, I love how far this thing is coming, man. And we still got a long way to go. I want to do something with this tail light, but I ain't even gonna say too much right now. We just gonna get straight to this video, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in the car. Yeah, we just gonna get straight to this video, man. Drive. I'm scared. I don't know what to expect. Sport mode. I don't know if sport mode make a difference with the tune. I don't know, but we can really find out. Put on my seatbelt, because I remember some dude in the comments. You might want to put yours on too, because you don't know what'll happen with me in the driver's seat. Should I go in manual mode? Yeah, I'm going manual mode. That joke crazy. I ain't gonna lie, it ain't used to do that. We ain't even in traction control off yet, bro. What the world? That joke went crazy like that. Exhaust a little bit more. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Engine. That don't say 500 horsepower, y'all. I knew y'all caught that. Golly. I ain't gonna lie, man. This don't matter at 50 horsepower, but we don't know. 50 might be a stretch, but hey, it feel like it. Dang, man. This one definitely made a difference. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna have to rerun that. Let me see what my temperature gauge at. Where we at? 190. Okay. Yeah, I know my joint used to be at like 220, 230. But I ended up replacing my water pump because that was going bad. And yeah. I cannot sit in this, bro. Even the car. Y'all hear my radiator fans, bro? Come on, y'all. We gonna go around.
Smoke's still in here.
Hey, man, like, it's a crazy difference. Like, my car did not. God. Oh my God, bro. I don't know. I think I might get eat a Hellcat now. What y'all think? But yeah, I'm gonna get out of manual mode and see NDS. I don't hear NDS coming on no more, so that's a plus. That's a plus. Cause man, MDS was just wild, bro. I hated it. Like, I really did not like it, bro. I low-key want to get some slide content because I know that's what they want. I know that's what y'all want. Can't even look the right way. The tires just spin so much. For everybody that's running, these are back roads, you know, where a lot of, like, we in a country basically, so I'm where a lot of people not at. There's a little slight whine on here, I ain't gonna lie.
How was that inventory?
Right here.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little slide content in for y'all because I know that's what y'all want to see. And like I said, we are not where anybody can get hurt. This is like a back road type of neighborhood where a lot of people are not at. So yeah, we can go ahead and get that in for y'all.
The inside. Check the inside.
Inside?
Check the inside, sir.
They better not be. Oh my God.
Damn, man, these
wires.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking.
Oh my God, bro.
And these motherfuckers hot. They hot.
Oh my God. These is not no longer safe to drive on. Now I gotta go get new tires. Y'all better like the video, man. Y'all better like the video. God, I just roasted these junks.
That's why I had to check them.
I can't spin on these no more. That's over with.
Look at the street.
Bro, I did not think it was gonna get the tires down like that. But for like an officer or somebody to show the smoke. But before an officer or somebody like that show up, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off right here. That's crazy, bro. But if y'all like the video, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment. Also follow my Instagram if you haven't already. I will upload it right here on the screen. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and drop down some recommendations on what I should do next. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off right here. Go.